I'm just going to keep you right there. I think that's close enough. And make sure my power is off. Okay. This particular smoke alarm is a kitty, and there's a little clip thing on the side of it, and I can feel it. It's right over here. If I have to kind of press that in to unscrew it. If you don't know that, you can try to unscrew this all day long. It's still not going to come off. Okay. So I've got to push on that far enough and then loosen it up. Okay. There. Just like that. And now gently pull this. I'm still kind of work on it gingerly, even though I know the power's off. Now, mind you, there's a 10-year lithium battery in there, so it could chirp on me when I pull this thing off the back. And that's all you got to do. Okay. And now I take this base off. That way I don't have to cut in around it. I don't like cutting in around stuff. You know, you get paint on stuff, it's easier to use the roller all the way through. And I don't have to take these screws all the way off. I just unscrew it, you know, 1/4 of an inch, just enough to slide. And then I can slide this into position where the holes are and pull that down. Okay? And then I just leave that, just like that. Okay? That's all I have to do. See, how hard was that? How long did that actually take me? 30 seconds? Probably took me longer because I had to explain just a little bit. And there you go. That's all I had to do. And obviously when I get done painting the ceiling, when I leave for the day, if you want your condo, your house still protected even though you're not here, we're not living here yet. Okay, I'm getting everything ready. We're going to be moving in here in a few weeks. Okay? I could leave that down tonight. If I leave it down tonight, obviously, I'm not going to be protected everywhere else. Now, I could leave that just like that. I could turn the breaker back on. And if I turn the breaker back on, then all of the other smoke alarms in your condo, in your house, you have to reset. So then you have to go up and press the button and all that kind of stuff. Look how high these ceilings are. I'd have to get up on this 8-foot ladder, get up there with a broomstick or stand up there, and there's a button right in the middle. You just press it once and then it'll reset. Okay? I'd have to do that with all of them and then just leave this one room. Or if I thought, nothing's going to happen tonight, I'm just going to leave the breaker off. I'm not going to reset. I'm not going to reset anything. See here, push to hush, and that's your reset button too. You just press on there. I could press it right now, and it would probably chirp because this has a lithium battery in it. Okay, but enough of that. I'm just going to leave that right there. I'm going to get this ceiling painted. It's getting into the afternoon here. I got to get this ceiling done. I want to at least get the rolling done. I may not get to the cut in until tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. It's not going to take me that long to do this ceiling. We're going to do that next. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.